Hi guys, so for this week's nail art design we're going to do some sponging. I painted my nail white just to act as a base, and then I'm going to sponge this pink and green. Over the top of this I'm going to apply a scattered hollow. This can be bought in my Etsy store, and check out the link below if you'd like to see. So over the top of the sponging that we did, we're going to do some stamping. So I'm using this image plate. This is from bornprettystore and it was sent to me for review. Check out the link below for where you can get the item, and there's also a 10% off code as well. So as you can see, I'm using this image in the corner here, and I want to get the middle set and then the two outer rings, and then the rest of it I'm just scraping off because I don't want that part.